Hello friends, for any RCC structure, cement concrete is one of the most important constituents as it forms the bulk of construction. Cement concrete can be a nominal mix or a design mix. The various ingredients of concrete mix are cement, aggregates both coarse and fine, and water for causing hydration of cement. Amongst the various ingredients of concrete, fine aggregates play a vital role in minimizing the segregation of concrete besides reducing the voids. For this, the site engineer must ensure that correct measure of fine aggregate as per the design proportions must be added to form the concrete. The proportions of fine aggregates to be added should be measured either by volume batching or by weigh batching. In case of weigh batching, no corrections to the design proportions of fine aggregate need to be applied for bulking of sand. However, if volume batching is to be resorted to, then bulking of sand should be measured and necessary corrections need to be applied to the design proportions of fine aggregates. In the present video program, we shall demonstrate the experimental procedure to find out the bulking of sand. For this, the apparatus required includes a container, a steel rule, a steel rod of 6 mm diameter, measuring cylinder of 250 ml capacity, sample of sand under test, and the observation sheet to record the readings. To start the experiment, take the sample of sand and fill the measuring cylinder up to 200 ml graduation mark. Now, level it with the steel rule without shaking the cylinder. Transfer this sample of sand in another container. Refill the measuring cylinder with water. Now, pour this sample of sand in measuring cylinder filled with water and stir it well so that it is thoroughly mixed with water. Allow it to settle for some time. You will notice that the sand surface is now below its original level. Let this level be Y. Bulking of sand shall then be calculated by using the formula 200 minus Y divided by Y multiplied by 100. The value of Y in the present case is 150 ml. This reading is recorded in the observation sheet. Therefore, bulking of sand can be calculated as 200 minus 150 divided by 150 multiplied by 100, which is 33.3%. Repeat the procedure for 2 more samples of fine aggregate and record the readings in the observation sheet. The average of 3 readings is taken as the final result. In the present video program, you have seen the apparatus and the experimental procedure to determine the bulking of sand. It has been found that fine sand bulk much more than coarse sand. With the presence of 5 to 6% moisture content, the approximate increase in volume of sand may vary from 20 to 40%. Therefore, while adding fine aggregate to the concrete mix by volume batching, its proportions should be increased depending upon its bulkage. I hope after having viewed this video program, you shall be able to perform this experiment in your laboratories. Thank you.